What's up, Wishers? What's up, Arineta? First of all, I'd like to thank God. Big shout out to my mom and my family in Pampanga. Kumusta na kayo, kabalin? Maraming salamat to Wish for this recognition, and it's truly an honor. Thank you for creating a platform with engaging content to promote OPM in our community and outside of our community, representing OPM. So maraming salamat, Wish. The Apria Foundation nowadays focuses on keeping family together, creating more jobs, education, from EV education to semiconductor and to agriculture. I grew up farming, so I'm back into farming. Oh, are we back? Okay, we're back. And agriculture, and of course, music. As a musician, I know firsthand having to leave your family and going abroad. It was a tough moment for me, but at the same time, it was a blessing because I got to start my career in music in the US. And quite frankly, if I stayed in the Philippines, it probably would have taken me twice as long. But nowadays, that's not the case anymore. OPM is blowing up. And congratulations to all the amazing, talented artists in this room today. It's a privilege to be with you guys. And once again, I got to work with some of you guys, SB19. And I can't wait to collaborate more. What's up, Beanie? Flo G. And once again, Wish, thank you very much. And let's keep supporting each other, believe in each other, keep growing the industry in our country. We don't have to make it, we don't always have to make it in the US. Let's start it in our country. Maraming salamat, Wish, and thank you very much.
This is my first time na mag-receive unang award as a solo artist. Hanggang ngayon po, to be honest, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na nakakapag-release pa ako ng song. But with this, isa po itong patunay na marami po talaga nagtitiwala sa akin. Kaya maraming salamat po. Gusto ko magpasalamat kay Lord sa pagbigay po sa akin ng talent na meron ako ngayon. Sa aking friends, families, of course, Warner Music Philippines. Thank you so much for believing me. Sa group ko, SB19, 1Z Entertainment, thank you so much. Sa 18 po, and sa all my beloved berries, thank you so much for believing in me. Thank you so much for supporting me. Hindi ko man po mapapangako na kaya ko pong gampanan ng mga bagay na naiisip niyo pa sa akin, pero isa lang po mapapangako ko. Patuloy ko pong aalagaan yung boses ko para marinig niyo po ako hanggang gusto niyo po. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Wish. I love you. Keep on wishing!
Thank you sa ating lahat. First of all, nahihinig ako. I would like to thank God, first of all, for giving me the gift of love and music. I would also like to thank my mom sa probinsya for helping me understand that gift. I would also like to thank my friends, my relatives, and mga binhi. And sa lahat po ng mga fanbase ng mga artists po na andito ngayon. Maraming salamat po dahil pina-experience niyo po sa amin yung pagmamahal niyo. Mabuhay po ang OPM, mabuhay po ang kulturang Pilipino. Stay safe, everybody.
Maraming salamat po, Wish 1075, for this Pop Song of the Year award. Ito po yung una naming award this year, and that makes it even more special. Maraming salamat po. Napakaganda ng simula po ng taon natin. Siyempre gusto po namin magpasalamat sa management po namin ng ABS-CBN, to our team, Team Beanie, and to our music label, Star Music, Star Magic, and to our Blooms! Thank you so much!
Yes, and thank you so much for the love and support. Beanie is not Beanie kundi dahil sa never-ending support nyo, guys. And of course, thank you so much Wish Music Awards for this amazing award. We're very honored and grateful to be able to represent Wish Pop Song of the Year. And thank you so much to our amazing composers of our beautiful song, Pantropico, Angelica Ortiz, John Bonavalen, Paula Chavez, Mark Alavinas. Thank you so much po. All glory to God!
Syempre po, bago po ang lahat kay Sir Aris, maraming salamat po sa opportunity. At syempre po sa lahat po ng management namin at nila Onesie Entertainment, sa Sony Music Philippines, Asintada. At ayun po, it has been grabe yung collaboration na to be with a legendary artist such as with Sir Aris. Isang karangalan na po ito. Pero para sa award na to, sobrang laki po ng binigay niyo sa aming achievement for this one. And may gusto ba kayo sabihin, guys?
Sa ngalan po ni Sir Glock 9 at ng Asintada, maraming salamat SB19 and Onesie Entertainment. It only shows like the collaboration that are being supported in the Philippines, around the globe. OPM is moving forward and up. So congratulations po sa lahat.
Yes, para ikaw po. Salamat po.
Thank you so much po!
Pero seriously, first of all, sabi ko po kanina mga idol ko po kasi talaga yung mga kapwa na kami for this category. So, shoutout po sa inyo, syempre, O-Side, Evabi, sila Flo G, and everyone else. Maraming salamat po sa inspirasyon nyo. Pero syempre, for this award, sobrang i-cherish ko po ito. This is not just an award for me, but this is a checkpoint para sa mga future plans at sa mga future, syempre, achievements ng OPM at ng hip-hop. Para sa kultura po, at syempre, manatiling, syempre, magiging malakas po ang kultura natin. Even it become, be P-pop, hip-hop, or any other genres. Salamat po. Maraming salamat. Wish 1075, 18, BBQs, at syempre sa mga kagrupo ko din, dahil pinayagan nila ako ma-schedule. maraming salamat po para sa inyo lahat ito.
Wish Music Awards. Maraming salamat sa pagkilala na ito, sa recognition na ito. In music, we have to be conscious also of promoting our local culture, our language, at marami pong mga kwento na dapat nating ikwento sa pamamagitan ng musika. Maraming salamat, Wish Music Awards, for your support to original Filipino music. Salamat po sa recognition na ito. Thank you. Also, thank you to my label, Widescope Entertainment. Thank you, Widescope!
Congratulations, Mr. Noel Cabangon. He will also have a 25,000 peso cash prize.
Hey, Beanie Stacy, thank you, Stats. Sa UMG family, thank you so much. Sa Wish, of course, thank you, Wish. And I just wanna congratulate every artist na nandito sa lugar na to. I just wanna remind you na I don't think God gave this opportunity, yung talent na to sa atin just for our own satisfaction, for fame or for wealth. I just wanna remind you na I think God put this within us to start a dream sa buhay ng iba na nandito. I remember, uma-attend ako sa Wish Awards, nandun ako sa audience. Now, nandito na ako sa stage. Man, I just wanna say, don't stop believing. Your faith is your limit. All God.
Baba nito ah. Grabe kayo ah. Baba oh. What's up, Bandang Wishers? Binabati ko lang lahat ng mga fans ko. Yung mga 50 and above, nasan kayo? Mami, I love you! Sa inyo mga fans ko, 50 and below. Salamat! Alam nyo, sa OPM, kami ni na Sir Noel Cabangon, kami ni na Gary V, Jo Marichan, Christian Bautista. Huwag kayong pa-bobola dyan, matanda na rin yan. You know, once upon a time, sabi namin, sana magkaroon tayo ng, an awards night na kung saan magsasama-sama lahat ng mga mahuhusay natin, mga artists. Tapos magkakantahan sila. Tapos bibigyan natin ng cash yung mga awardees. Pagkatapos yung mga fans nila nandoon. Etong gabing ito, isa siyang naging realidad dahil sa Wish Music Awards. Ang galing niyo. Maraming salamat. Ito pong advokasya namin sa OPM naging realidad dahil sa iyo. Dahil sa inyo. Bago po ako makalimot, nais ko lang pong pasalamatan si Rob Daniel. Napakagwapo mo, anak. Bagay na bagay sa iyo yung mga kanta ko. Lalo kang pumugi. Palagay ko anak kita. No, really, Rob, thank you. You sang it with so much heart. I appreciate it. Nais kong pasalamatan din si Stel. Dahil siya nag-design ng damit ko. Okay ba pagkakasunod? Love you, man. At, well, itong award na ito, reminder ito sa akin na itong ginagawa naming advokasya sa OPM, panghabang buhay. You know, once upon a time, may isang napakagaling na singer-songwriter. His name is Jo Marichan. Kilala natin siya, di ba? Siya yung gumaganon. Ninong ko po yun eh. Siya pa yung wene, siya po yun eh. Sinabi niya, music
is the language of the soul. Huwag muna kayo pumalakpak, di pa tapos eh. Kung kaya naniniwala ako sa gabing ito, OPM is the language of the Filipino soul. At napakaraming puso't kaluluwa ngayon ang napakasaya dahil pinagbubunyi natin ang musikang Pilipino. Ito ring award na ito ay tatago ko dahil magpapaalala ito na may mga taong nagmamahal sa akin na kundi po dahil sa kanila, hindi po ako magiging musiko. Unang-una yung mao kong ama at yung nanay ko na unang naniwala sa akin na sabi niya kahit maliit ako, pwede rin ako maging ganap na bituin. Sa aking yumaong manager na si Leo Dominguez na nagsabing kahit na nung panahon namin ay napakatangkat ng mga singer, meron din akong kalalagyan. Kay Ray Lanyada at syempre sa LVD Management at sa A-Team, maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Sa aking pamilya, ang aking napakaraming mga anak, si Lila, si Sarah, at si Nate. Kayo ang aking inspirasyon. At syempre, sa aking butihing may bahay. Na nagsilbing lakas at kahinaan ko. Kung kaya't ako'y nakabuo ng mga awitin na nanggaling sa aking puso. Regine, I love you. Thank you. At sa lumikha sa akin ng ating mahal na Panginoon, salamat. Thank you for the gifts of music. Sa aking ASAP family, at syempre sa Showtime family, you continue to inspire me to do my best. Sa inyo, mga fans, sana huwag kayong magsasawa. Buhay na buhay ang musikang Pilipino dahil sa inyong lahat. God bless you. God bless OPM. Wish Music Awards. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. I love you. Thank you.